Welcome to learningayurveda.com. Today we are discussing about Ritucharya, that is Ayurvedic seasonal regimen. This is the third chapter of Ashtanga Hridaya. The word Ritucharya is made of two words. Ritu means season, Charya means do's and don'ts or regimen. This important chapter discusses in detail regarding different seasons and the regimen to be followed. 6 seasons of Ayurveda. A season or a ritu is comprised of 2 months or 2 masas, Magha and Falguna Masa, that is from mid-January to mid-March, makes Shishira Ritu, that is winter season. Chaitra and Vaishaka Masa, that is mid-March to mid-May, forms Vasanta Ritu or spring. Jyeshta and Ashada, that is mid-May to mid-July, forms Grishma or summer. These three Ritus, that is Shishira, Vasanta and Grishma, that is mid-January to mid-July, form northern solstice. Here fire is dominant. It is also called as Adana Kala, wherein the human strength will be relatively low. Next, Shravana and Bhadrapada months, that is between mid-July to mid-September, form Varsha Ritu, that is rainy season. Ashvaja and Kartika Masa, that is between mid-September to mid-November, form Sharad Ritu, that is autumn. Margashira and Pushya months, between mid-November to mid-January, form Hemanta Ritu, that is early winter season. In these 3 seasons, that is Varsha Ritu, Sharad Ritu and Hemanta Ritu, that is between mid-July to mid-January, these 3 seasons together form Dakshina Ayana or southern solstice. It is also called as Visarga Kala, wherein the human strength is relatively high. Next, Uttarayana or Adana Kala or northern solstice, that is between mid-January to mid-July. Because of the nature of the path, both the sun and the wind become very strong, powerful and dry during this half of the year. It takes away all the cooling qualities of the earth. Bitter, astringent, pungent tastes will be more powerful respectively in the successive seasons. Hence, Adana Kala is dominated by fire. Next, Dakshinayana or Visarga Kala or southern solstice. It is between mid-July to mid-January. During this period, the sun releases strength of the people. Here, moon is more powerful. Earth is cooled down due to clouds, rain and cold wind. Sour, salt and sweet tastes are dominant respectively during the 3 seasons of this period. Next, variation in strength as per season. During winter, that is in Hemanta and Shishira Ritus, that is between mid-November to mid-March, the strength will be maximum. During summer and rainy season, the strength will be lowest, and during spring and autumn, the strength will be medium. Here, strength refers to the natural body strength.